Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Recently I baked a bread, a chocolate babka, and it turned out fabulous, and it's been my favorite since then. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the babka. It's very simple, it tastes amazing, and it can be had on its own. It's a nice soft brioche kind of a bread interlayered with hazelnut paste and chocolate chips. It's super yummy and super easy too. So let's get started. For the babka, we will be needing flour, fresh yeast, milk, sugar, salt, butter and water to make the dough. For the filling, we'll be using Nutella and chocolate chips. In case if you don't want to use chocolate chips, you can avoid it, or you can use chopped hazelnuts also. For the sugar syrup for soaking later, we are going to be using sugar and water. We will take the milk, we will add the sugar in it and the yeast. Mix it well and keep it aside for 15 minutes to ferment. Now it's been 15 minutes and it started fermenting. What I will do is, next I will take the full flour, I will add the ferment in this. I will take a little water and I will start bringing it together. Use as much water as you require to make the dough into a nice and soft pliable dough. As the dough starts coming together, I will take the salt and the butter and mix it into the dough. Now as the dough has started coming together, I will take a little flour on the tabletop, transfer this there and just knead for like 2 minutes. And as you will knead, you will see that the dough is getting nice and elasticy and it's coming together. Gather it up and in the same bowl dust a little flour. Keep this, I will cover this with a cling film and keep it aside for half an hour to proof. After about 40 minutes, the dough has risen. So we will punch it down. Take a rolling pin and roll this into a rectangle. Once this is done, I will take the Nutella and just spread that. I normally leave the corners a little, without the filling, so that when we roll this, it does not just keep oozing and getting messy. I will take a little of the chocolate chips and sprinkle them, rolling this up like a Swiss roll. Over here, the seam that we will get, you just pinch it so that the dough sticks together. At this stage, I normally like to put it into the fridge or the deep freezer for about 5 minutes because the Nutella will become hard, and when we cut it, it will not ooze out and spoil the look of the dough. So I've just removed it after keeping it in the fridge for 5 minutes. We will take a very sharp knife and cut it in the middle. Once I have cut it, I will just, start twining them with the face on top. Once this is done, I have a greased tin which I have greased. I will take this and place it inside. Okay, now this I will be keeping covered for about half an hour for it to rise again before we bake it. Now we will be making the sugar syrup for the soaking. I will take the water and the sugar and just move it around till the sugar has dissolved. That's it. I do not need to make a very thick syrup. It is just going to be a very simple sugar syrup. And the sugar has dissolved and the syrup is ready to soak. This bread has just come out of the oven. We will unmold it. Right, now this has been unmolded. We will take the sugar syrup while it is still warm and start brushing the babka. If you don't like your bread too soggy, you can just put a little on top. But if you like it a little soggy and juicy, we can use the whole syrup. And the babka is ready.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।